Most people fail to speak English because they study grammar for hours, but they never hear how a real day sounds. Today, that changes. For the next 15 minutes, you aren't just watching a video, you are living a full day in English, from the moment you wake up to the moment you sleep.
Rohan, did the milkman come? We're out of tea. I'll check. By the way, are we still meeting the Sharmas tonight?
Listen, repeat, and immerse yourself. If you stay until the end, you will have practiced over 200 daily life phrases. Let's begin.
Good morning. You're up early. Did you sleep well?
Honestly, not really. I kept tossing and turning. I think I'm just stressed about that presentation today.
Don't overthink it. You've prepared well. Anyway, do you want some tea? I'm just about to put the kettle on.
Yes, please. A strong ginger tea would be great. Oh, and did the milkman leave the packets?
He did. I've already put them in the fridge. By the way, we're out of bread. Could you grab a packet on your way back from work?
Sure. I'll add it to my reminders. Wait, where are my car keys? I put them right here on the counter last night.
Check the bowl near the door. You always leave them there when you're distracted.
Found them. You're a lifesaver. What's for breakfast?
Just some poha and fruit. We need to hurry though. The traffic near the main road is going to be a nightmare today because of the construction.
You're right. I'll quickly hop in the shower. Can you pack my lunch while I get ready?
Already done. It's on the dining table. Don't forget your water bottle.
Let's pause. Did you notice how they used the phrase tossing and turning? This means Rohan couldn't sleep. Instead of saying, I am very stressed, he said, I'm just about to, which shows an action happening right now. Pro tip: in India, we often say, take attention. In English, always use don't overthink it or don't stress about it.
Hey, Rohan. Long time no see. How's it going?
Hey, Vikram. I'm doing well. Just keeping busy. How about you? How was your weekend?
It was relaxing. I stayed in and watched some movies. Did you catch the match last night?
Only the highlights. I had to finish some chores. So, are you ready for the monthly review meeting?
Not really. I'm still waiting for the sales figures from the Bangalore team. They're running a bit behind schedule.
That's typical. If you want, I can ping Rahul and ask him to speed it up.
That would be a huge help. Thanks, man. I owe you one.
No worries. Let's grab a coffee later and discuss the presentation.
Sounds like a plan. See you at the break.
Is this seat taken? Mind if I join you?
Not at all, Priya. Have a seat. I was just about to start.
That smells amazing. Is that home-cooked food?
Yes, my wife packed some parathas today. It's much better than the canteen food, to be honest.
I bet. By the way, I heard you're heading to the bank after lunch?
Yeah, I need to drop off some documents for a home loan. I'm hoping it won't take too long. The last time I went, the queue was out the door.
If you're going to the one on the corner, try the back counter. It's usually faster. Oh, and can you do me a quick favor?
Sure, what's up?
Could you pick up a couple of cold coffees from the cafe next door on your way back? I'm stuck in a conference call at 2 p.m.
No problem at all. Sugar-free for you, right?
You remembered. Thanks, Rohan. I'll GPay you the money right now.
Don't worry about it. You can get mine next time.
Rohan, the Sharmas will be here in 20 minutes. Did you remember to get the bread?
Yes, I got the bread and some snacks too. I'm just finishing up a quick email. I'll be out in a second.
Okay, but hurry up. I've already set the table. I made some extra snacks because you know how much Mr. Sharma loves his chai.
Perfect. I'm all done. I'm actually looking forward to catching up with them. It's been ages since we had a proper chat.
That must be them. Can you check if the balcony light is on? It looks a bit dark.
On it. Opens the door. Hey, come in, come in. So good to see you both.
Good evening. We aren't too early, are we? The traffic was surprisingly light today.
Not at all. Please make yourselves comfortable. We were just about to serve the tea.
And that is a full day in English. Did you notice how the tone changed from the quick, short sentences in the morning rush to the polite, professional talk at the office, and finally, the warm, welcoming English for guests? To master these, you don't need a dictionary. You just need to listen to this video again while you're commuting or cooking. If you want to speak English as naturally as Rohan and Anjali, you are in the right place. Every Saturday at 6 p.m., we bring you a new 15-minute immersion.
Don't forget to like this video if you learned even one new word today.
And subscribe to Speak English Daily Official. Tell us in the comments, what is the first thing you say when you wake up? We read every single comment.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and we will see you next Saturday. Goodbye.